back with me, Puspasari, or Puspa, and now are the six videos. And today I want to talk about something that might sound strange to some of you: my love for horror movies. And yes, I actually enjoy being scared on purpose. There's just something thrilling about sitting in the dark, waiting for a jump scare, and then screaming, and only to laugh about it second later. And horror movies give me a kind of adrenaline rush I don't get from any other genre. But not just about the scares. I love how horror stories explore the fears and human psychology. Sometimes the monsters are not ghosts but people, and that's even scarier. Films like The Conjuring, Hereditary, or even Indonesian horror films like Ngabis Setan and Santet and Pocong and keep me on the edge of my seat. Another reason I love horror is the way it's bring people together. Watching scary movies with friends is the best. We scream, hide behind pillows, and talk about it for hours. And so next time you're in the mood for sometime thrilling, I suggest trying a good horror movie. You might uh, just discover a new kind of fun and maybe sleep with the lights on. And that's all from me. And now, so sorry for my mistake and mispronunciation. And thank you so much. And see you the next video. Goodbye.